Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and if you are new to this area, maybe you've just moved in from out of state, this page of our website is designed especially for you. I'm Ken, and I have spent the past 40 plus years doing landscape work in this area, and every year our office gets lots of calls from people just like you asking, how do I water my lawn? What kinds of plants work well in this area? What do I need to do in freezing weather? What happens when my sprinkler system is stuck in the on position? All of those questions you're going to find answered on this page. And if you like these answers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to sign up for our quick tip emails, and there you're going to find very current information on what kinds of insects and so forth that we might be seeing at this time of year, any kind of landscape issues that we're running into. Again, this is Ken with Village Green. 40 plus years now, we've been the local experience you can trust.